Hello students, welcomes you in online classes of Shri Education Academy. We are doing second chapter articles. Students, in chapter of articles we have done what are articles, types of articles and use of a and an. Hope you understand well, and if you have any doubt then watch again previous videos. Students, today we will study about use of the. Let's start. Use of the. There are many points to use of the. First point A. Before river, ocean, canal, mountain, etc. Students, we will use the before the name of any river, any ocean, canal, mountain, etc. Example, the Ganga. Ganga is a name of river and we will use here article the Ganga, the Himalayas, the Yamuna, the Red Sea, the Ganga Canal. Clear students? Point B. Before common noun to represent an entire species. Before common noun we will use article the. Before common noun we will use article the. Students, here a word is common noun. What is common noun? In your previous classes you have studied about noun. There are two types of noun. A noun is a word that names a person, animal, place, thing or idea. And noun, there is two types of noun. First, proper noun and second, common noun. What is proper noun and what is common noun? Proper nouns are words used for specific one, and common nouns are words used for general items rather than the specific ones. Students, we will use proper noun for a particular name of any place, thing or idea, and common nouns are used for general items. I am giving you an example. I saw a girl. I saw a girl. Here, girl is a word who represent a whole community of girls. And when I say I saw the girl, here the girl means the girl is particular girl and whose identity is known to us. Students, hope you understand common noun. Students, we will use the article before common noun only in that condition when common noun represent an entire species. Example, the cow is a useful animal. The dog is a faithful animal. Here, cow word is used for entire community of cows and the dog word is used for entire community of dog. Point C. Before all religious books, epics, we will use article the. Like example, the Quran, the Bible, the Gita, the Ramayana. Quran, Bible, Gita and Ramayana are religious books and we will use the word before these religious books. All religious books we will use the article. Clear students? Example, my mother reads the Ramayana daily. The Bible is a holy book. We will use the article before religious books. Fourth point, before name of all the four directions. Direction, Hindi mean of direction means disha. We will use article the before all four direction. If a preposition is used with its description from the east to the west, to the south, to the north. And another example, the sun sets in the west. We will use the article before four directions. Students, I am repeating 4 points in short. First point, before river, ocean, canal, mountain, we will use article the. Hindi mean of river is nadi. Hindi mean of ocean is samudra. Canal, nahar. Mountain, parvat. We will use any name of river, ocean, canal, mountain. We will use article the, like the Ganga, the Himalayas, the Yamuna, etc. Clear, student? B point, before comma noun to represent an entire species, we will use the. Here the cow is a useful animal. Here the word cow is represent the whole community, whole family of cows. That's why we are using here the article, because cow is, here the cow word is representing all the cows. The dog is a faithful animal. The dog means the dog, the dog. The word of dog is representing all the dog community. That's why we are using here the article. We will use article the before comma noun only when comma noun represent an entire species. Clear? Point C, before all religious book. Religious books means धार्मिक पुस्तकें. Before all religious books we will use article the, like the Quran, the Bible, the Gita. Clear? Point D, before name of all four directions. Example, to the west, to the south, the sun sets in the west. Here the west, south, north, east, all the directions name, and we will use article the before these directions name. Clear, student? Student, this chapter is very useful and interesting. Please understand well. Next point, E, before superlatives degrees. Example, the best, the highest, the tallest. Hindi meaning of superlative degree means उच्चतम शिखर. Example, the best. The best means सबसे अच्छा. The highest, सबसे ऊंचा. Tallest, सबसे लंबा. These are superlative degrees. We will use these superlative degrees. We will use article the before the superlative degrees. Example, it is the best book. Mohan is the tallest boy. Clear, student? Next point, before all the unique things. Hindi meaning of unique is ekmatra. Example, the sun. You know, students, sun is only one in all universe. The moon is only one in all universe, and the sky. Here we will use article the before unique things. Example, the sun, the moon, the sky, the earth. The sun rises in the east. The sky is blue. The earth moves around the sun. Clear, student? Next point, G. Before newspapers, famous buildings, aeroplanes, ships, trains, etc. We will use the article. We will use article the before newspaper. Hindi meaning of newspaper, अखबार. Hindi meaning of famous building, प्रसिद्ध इमारत. प्रसिद्ध इमारतें, हवाई जहाज, जहाज, रेल, ये जितने भी famous aeroplanes, ships, trains हैं, we will use article the before these. Example, I read the Hindustan Times daily. Hindustan Times daily is a name of newspaper, and we will use article the before any newspaper. Famous buildings. He has not seen the Taj Mahal. The Vikrant is in the port. The Chetak Express is a fast train. Clear, student? H. Before proper noun if they are used to show similar qualities. Example, Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Students, here Shakespeare is proper noun, but we will use article the before Shakespeare because Shakespeare has similar qualities of Kalidas. Next, before the names of communities and castes. Hindi meaning of communities is samudaya and Hindi meaning of caste is jati. Before the name of communities and caste, we will use article the Hindus, the English, the Muslim, etc. Next, J. After all and both and before whole and same. After all and both, we will use article the, and before whole and same, we will use article the. Example: all the girls are in the class. After all, we are using here article the, all the girls. After all, both, after both we will use article the, both the friends went there. Before whole and same, we will use article the whole. Here we are using article the before whole word. The whole of India is in the grip of cold. Next, he came here on the same day. On the same day. Before same we are using article the. Clear, student? Next, before a noun which has been described or referred to earlier. Hindi meaning of earlier is pehle. This Hindi meaning of described means varnit and referred means pradarshit. Students, if we are using a noun, if we are repeating a noun which has been described earlier, then we will use article the before that proper noun. Example: I saw a lion. मैंने लोयन देखा. In next sentence, the lion was sleeping under a tree. वह लोयन पेड़ के नीचे सो रहा था. Here we are repeating lion word again, which has been described previous, which has been described earlier. Then we are using here article the. In the first sentence, I saw a lion, but in the second sentence, the same lion was sleeping under a tree, and here in the second sentence, the is used before the lion to specify his identity. Next, before a noun, phrase or clause which refers to a certainty. Hindi meaning of certainty means nishchintata, fixed. Example: the girl in the blue skirt is my sister. The girl in the blue skirt is my sister. Here is a girl who have worn blue skirt. In this sentence, there is a certainty that a girl have worn blue skirt. Students, when we found any certainty, we will use article the. The girl in the blue skirt. Here is a fix that a girl who wearing blue skirt. Next example: the man who went out is an excellent singer. In this sentence, certainty is that the man who went out, जो चला गया है. Then we will use article the before the word man. The man who went out is an excellent singer. Clear, student? Hope you understand well. Thank you.